Hello PSD families. This May we have an opportunity to celebrate the incredible educators who are the heart of our schools. As a former science and health teacher who spent 18 years in the classroom, I want to elevate the fact that every day our teachers dedicate themselves not only to teaching academics, but to mentoring, encouraging, and believing in all of our students. These dedicated professionals are the foundation of public education here in our district, working together with all our devoted Peninsula staff. Their hard work has a lasting impact on our children's futures. Think about your favorite teacher. When I think about the impact of a great educator, I reflect on my own favorite teacher, Mrs. Kitchen, and our 5th grade classroom in Benbrook, Texas. As a military child, her classroom was inviting, and I had the opportunity to make so many friends and learn many life lessons. It was truly a wonderful place to be. Please join me in extending your gratitude to each and every one of our teachers this week. Thank you for supporting our outstanding staff, and have a happy May.